Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. The Australian share market is expected to open lower this morning. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.1% fall. Yesterday the market closed 0.03% lower at 7,660. In business news from this morning, South32 has entered into a binding agreement to sell Illawarra Metallurgical Coal to an entity owned by Golden Energy and Resources and M Resources. The consideration for the transaction is up to $1,650 million. This represents a multiple of approximately 7.2 times average annual free cash flow for Illawarra Metallurgical Coal. The transaction is expected to complete in the first half of financial year 2025, subject to the satisfaction of certain conditions, including the Foreign Investment Review Board approval, also customary regulatory approvals and the waiver or non-exercise of pre-emption rights held by BlueScope Steel. Southern Cross Media Group's strategic cost management review has delivered $30 million in annualised savings, well above the previous guidance of $15 million. The full benefit of these savings will be realised in financial year 2025, with $20 million to be realised during financial year 2024, mostly in the second half. Non-revenue related costs for financial year 2024 will be less than $310 million. SCA's listener digital audio ecosystem remains on target to reach a break-even EBITDA run rate in the fourth quarter and to contribute positively to financial year 2025. With reduced capex requirements, listener is also forecast to become cash flow positive in early 2025. Star Entertainment reports a fall in revenue of 14.6% to $865.7 million for the fiscal half year. This was from a fall in premium gaming areas and operating restrictions, such as the reduced level of complementary services that impacted the performance of electronic gaming machines. Despite this, the casino reported a net profit of $9.1 million. Proposed New South Wales casino duty rate uncertainty is resolved. New arrangements remove considerable uncertainty that was introduced back in December 2022 and protects the jobs of thousands of Sydney team members. Queen's Wharf Brisbane litigation with Multiplex has been settled, an expected phased opening of the property from August 2024. And the sale of the Sheraton Grand Mirage has been completed with proceeds of $56 million generated. Well, let's take a break here. I'll be back with more news set to affect your trading day.
Right now, Kalkine is offering a 7-day free trial on its premium research reports. Get access to data-driven market insights combined with an in-depth analysis on financial markets across the globe. Don't miss it. Subscribe for the free trial now.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast. Let's take a look overseas now. The S&P 500 lost 0.17%, the Nasdaq fell 0.55%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average shed 0.06%. London's FTSE fell 0.76%, Frankfurt added 0.25%, and Paris closed 0.08% higher. In Asia, Tokyo's Nikkei fell 0.08%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng dropped 1.51%, and China's Shanghai Composite lost 1.91%. That's the latest from this morning's ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.